All right, checking out the Piscifun Carbon X II 3000 unboxing. Just got this in the mail today. Ordered this one on Amazon just because I trust Amazon. Piscifun, fish with family. Kind of neat. I like that it comes separated. All right. It's really in here good. I specifically was looking for a reel that I can take with me to Canada this year, up to Lake Laxewell in Ontario. A lot of packaging in here. Oh, nice little bag. Here it is on the rod. 10+1 ball bearings. 6:1 gear ratio. Just a good looking reel. Can't wait to get this thing strung up and try it out.